What's up, everybody? This is Felix with Ventura Gardening. We are starting early today. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is the first property we're going to do. Smaller front yard, pretty big backyard. I'll show you here in a second, but here's a little footage of us mowing and going. It for the front. There's a little side on the other side, but I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'm gonna get the backyard on some footage, so give me 1 second. What's up, guys? Still here at the first property. We are mowing the backyard now. I already got halfway through it. Got that side done, just gotta mow this little bit. We got the Honda out, HRC 216, and guess you guys could try to see what's going on.
Alright guys, just wanted to do a quick voiceover. I'm just finishing up this backyard using the HRC 216. It's a 21-inch commercial grade mower. It's an amazing mower. I know you guys might be asking why I'm not using a bigger mower on these bigger properties, and the answer to that is because I don't own and haven't had the need to invest in a bigger mower. I don't have a lot of lawns that are this size. Most of the lawns I service right now are a couple thousand square foot up to 4,000 to 5,000 square foot on average. So this mower does perfect for those size jobs. If I was to come across any other bigger lawns and had to service new clients that had the bigger lawns that were 10,000+ square foot, then I would definitely invest into something bigger. But as of now, this is all I need. It's making me money, and it's doing a great job. As you can see, I'm trying to mow around these swings here, but yeah, sometimes things just get in the way. I should have just moved it from the start, but I think I'm gonna come back around and actually try to get it out the way. But yeah, guys, just tell me what you guys think. As far as mowers, if you have a Honda HRC 216 and you like it, let me know how you like it. If you have anything else like the Exmark or the Toro, the commercial ones, the 21 or the 30, let me know how you like those. Leave a comment down below and let's discuss it. But enjoy the rest of this clip. Keep following along for the rest of the day, and enjoy.
What's up, guys? Felix back here, finishing up on the second property. As you can see, it's a little bigger property also. That's about 7,000 square foot of lawn in the front and back, and then has a bunch of flower beds. Client likes flower beds raked out as well as blown out. So we blow them and then we rake them, but we do account for that time when we put in the estimate. We spend a little more time here than other properties just because of that. And that's all right, man. If you want the best and you want a quality service and you want someone to spend more time on your lawn and flower beds, and just got to pay for that. But as for this lawn, we are done, and we're gonna be heading to the next one here pretty soon. So see you in a second. What's up, guys? We're here at the third property. It's small, not much lawn. We put a little bit of seed down not too long ago in hopes that it would grow before the fall, and here we're coming up to the fall, so we're gonna overseed with winter rye, get this lawn going, and then try again on Bermuda here in the next season and just get it going right. When we got this lawn, it was super bare, nothing, no lawn, super dead. But it's pretty much just a cleanup, quick cleanup, and we're pretty much in and out. And but we're gonna do a good job and make sure the customer's happy. So here we go. What's up, guys? We're heading to our fourth property. Just got done with the third one, and it was a quick one. We do bi-weekly or every 3 weeks of the hedge trimming and stuff like that. So we just had to do a quick mow and blow. Got it cleaned up and raked up. Got all the debris out of there. Made it look nice and neat. And then we had to stop and put gas real quick. But we're going to the fourth property. It is a new property. We started on it last week, and it was overgrown. It was a cleanup, so we did as much as we could on that first go around, but just constantly getting it cleaned up and more cleaned up. So yeah, so I'll just give you guys a quick time lapse on the front yard, and then I'll show you guys the backyard, and then we'll move on to the next property. We'll just keep on pushing, guys. So here we go. Hey, so we got done with the couple properties. Just banged them out real quick. Didn't really want to spend too much time messing with the camera and setting up the camera and stuff like that. But I did get one on time lapse. It was average size yard. Got it done fairly quick. Should be banging these next couple out pretty fast. So I'm gonna time lapse a couple, or I'm gonna try to. But I'm gonna try to finish out the day. We're getting done pretty early, moving pretty fast, getting things done. So here's the time lapse for you guys. Check it out. What's up, guys? So we knocked out a couple houses. We're on this one here. This is our first time at this one, and it's a little overgrown. She likes the natural look of the bushes and stuff like that, and so we're gonna kind of keep that. We're just gonna trim out the longer stuff, and we're gonna mow the lawn and get it all cleaned up. But I'm gonna time lapse it for you guys so you guys can check it out and enjoy. Here you go. All right, guys, just finishing up here. As you've seen by the time lapse, I underestimated this lawn. It was a lot more outgrown than I thought. Cleaned up pretty good, trimmed everything, mowed the lawn, got everything cleaned up. So just got to finish up in the back. He's just blowing all the debris into a corner. I'm gonna go rake it up and rake the flower beds and call it good. If you guys want to check that out, just go check it out. Hold on, I gotta grab a trash can so I can rake up all this stuff. Another day, another dollar. So pretty simple stuff, man. Just doing lawn care best we can, and trying to provide a good service here. Still got a couple other things to do, but we're gonna finish up here. You guys get a quick look at the backyard. Pretty nice. Just gotta get it cleaned up. All right, well, I gotta get back to work, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick little recap clip to end this video, just about how our day went yesterday. I know I ended the last clip on that first time cleanup. Just want to let you guys know that everything went well on that job. Banged it out. It was efficient. Customer's super happy. So now she has the confidence that we're going to come in and do a great job every week. So that's really important. But yeah, so after that job, we actually went and did a couple other small properties, and I didn't really want to bring out the camera for that just because it is a little time consuming when we do that. So and we all know time is money, so we just wanted to knock them out so we could go home and spend time with our families, right? But anyways, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you have any comments about the day, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.